Hey there everybody, this is your friendly neighborhood tech guy, WYNE, in short, just Wayne. I'm doing an unboxing right now. Like and subscribe. This isn't technically even boxed, but it's gonna come in handy right now for one or two of these packages that I'll be going through, Take the safety off, military grade pocket knife. It always comes in handy whenever you gotta open up something. Bam, my friend, Amazon Prime, first one. Let's see what it is. Clean through. Oh, yes, it is my camera, the Wyze camera. This is actually the third one I've gotten. I really like this brand. I know a lot of other people prefer to get the smaller one, but this one really works well for me. It pivots, the sound quality is great, Hey, this is my stamp of approval, third one. I got an I can't even pronounce it, but I got this from my fiance, so she could go and take some photos because she really likes to have a little thing. She likes to hold things. So, I think she'll enjoy this. I don't know too much about it. I just knew she liked it. So for those people that are looking for a nice gift at a reasonable price, especially for the photographer in their life, give it a shot. Here's a Joby, not Adobe, Joby. if you got a monitor and you're trying to do what I'm doing right now, try to make some YouTube videos or just try to make some personal videos, this will come in handy. Hold your iPod, your tablet, whatever you need, and it's good quality. I've had a brand like this before, very simple. As long as you also need a tripod. Don't forget the tripod. So, like that over there. This was also what I got in my journeys on Black Friday. You always need an SD card, especially, for the photographers. I brought up the Insta camera. It doesn't use an SD card, but for the other cameras, like the Canon, never hurt to get an SD card, especially 128 gig. These are the newer ones. It's a little faster than just a regular SanDisk. I like SanDisk, and there are other companies out there, but usually this is my first option, and since it was a really good deal, I believe this was $14.99 on Black Friday. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to find some out there still. Give it a shot. I got a few more items coming up. These are more software. Adobe Creative Cloud. Another gift for my lovely fiance. I don't really use Adobe, but I'm pretty sure if I'm gonna continue making these videos, this is gonna have to be one of those things I will be learning. If you happen to know a free version of any of these things, feel free to, software, feel free to send out my way. All right, antivirus protector. What else is there to say? You want to keep your computer safe. These were on sale for Black Friday, $4.99, $4.99, $9.99. Friends, family, personal use. Always got to keep yourself safe on the net. I also happen to pick myself up a nice little neck mount, in case I'm gaming. Which you could also find me at WYNE PP21, Twitch, YouTube. Check out my videos, and I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna let y'all know how comfortable it is. This is the first time I've actually bought a neck mount, but hey, it looked cool. This is the smallest thing I was able to show you from the biggest part of my Black Friday trips. And it is just a keyboard. We all know about HP, but HP not too long ago came out with the HP Omen, which I felt was good price, good quality, you know, terabyte of space, what was it again? Graphics card, everything like that. More details to come, but because it's too big to fit in right now with the equipment I have, you know, but I did want to share at least the mouse and keyboard with you. You know, when I do the tech setup, you will be impressed. You will not be wasting your time. You will enjoy the video. You will like and subscribe, and we'll keep it going, you know? If you have anything you would like to see me go over, feel free to hit me up on my Twitter, WYNEPITT21. Again, you know, let me bring back in everything that I picked up on Black Friday, good deals, or if you're just looking for something for a friend, family, or if you're looking to try and get into streaming yourself, you know, hey, remember, iPad. Gotta keep everything safe. In case you care for someone. Security. In case you're not home, you're going on a trip, you know. Adobe, gotta learn that. SD card, you always need one. They come in handy. All right, guys, until next time. Oh, wait, my apologies, everyone. I forgot I picked up 2 SD cards. Also one with the micro SD in case, you know, you want to put a little extra space in your tablet so you have more to do when it comes to the videos. All right, take it easy until the next video.